Hi everybody, do you have documents you don't want to lose? Backing up. I'm going to use GoodSync to do it. Here's what my computer has. I have a local C drive which has all my programs on it, and then I have my documents which is on my D drive, and then I have another E drive with some more stuff on it, and here I have an F drive. It's a 2 terabyte drive, and I'm going to use that as my backup drive. So if I look in this drive, you'll see that I have my backups from D drive, and that's where I'm going to set them up. So go back to this, and I go to my D drive, and I've got my documents folder, and here are all my documents. So let's take a look into GoodSync and set this up as a backup. So we'll do a new job. I'm going to do backs to F drive. I'm going to make it a one-way backup. We could synchronize it, but this is a backup tutorial. Click OK. In my left window, I'm going to choose my local computer, and it has all my drives here. And I'm going to go to the D drive and choose my documents. So SCP Docs is the folder it's in. Now I'll go to the right side, and I'll back it up to my local computer and to my F drive and to this backups drive right there, and now click apply. Okay, now we hit the analyze button, and it's going to compare the D drive document folder to the F drive current folder. Now I don't need anything from the recycle bin, so I'm going to right click that, and I'm going to say exclude all recycle bin folders. Here we have the rest of these, and most of them have already been synced, because obviously I do this fairly often. But here we have a couple of areas where it's going to say, well, I'm going to delete the right side because I guess I deleted this folder here. And here we have some new stuff that's going to go over to the right. And I can look at these, which says that stuff is going to copy from left to right. That's all the stuff that's going to copy. These are the things that have been changed from one direction to the other. These are what's going to be deleted on the right side. These are what's going to sync both directions, and this is going to show me everything that syncs about that. I'm going to make a setting over here under options. I'm going to tell it not to delete stuff in the backup. Okay? If you're afraid that you're going to lose something, don't delete stuff from the backup. Okay? Click on save, and I'll analyze again. And this time it's going to tell me that it's not going to delete a bunch of stuff. So here, its files to sync is only 926. Changes 926. It's only going to send stuff from the left to the right, from the documents folder over to the right. Now this is layouts for Adobe. I don't need that stuff. There's no documents in there. So I'm going to say exclude these, which is going to save time. Camtasia, that's the program they're using to record this video. Evernote, sure, why not? Pictures, definitely. Portfolio, yes. Scans that I send here. Temporary storage, I don't need temporary storage because it's only temporary. These are backups of another program that I use, so I'll keep the backups. I'll back up the backups. Yes, yes, yes. Do all of these, keep all of those. Terrific. And now I click on sync. And this is going to tell me that the elapsed time is 2 seconds. It's going to take about a minute or so. It's going at 500 megabytes per second. That's the average. I'll just dip down to 326, but it's still going. The time is 227. It must have hit a big file. Yeah, it hit a large file right there. So this is what's keeping track of what's actually happening now. This is telling us what is being backed up and what's being sent over. And I'll pause this or skip ahead staring at it. And once it's done, I'll talk normal again. While we're waiting, I've got an affiliate link. If you want to buy the program, it'd be nice if you could support my efforts. I appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, we're back. So now we have the equal signs here. And it means that those items, this vertical one means it was ignored, which means they've now been backed up. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, we have a little bit more stuff that's been taken up, and now they're backed up. So now I feel safe that if something happens to my D drive, my F drive will be secure. Now in some other videos that I'll post soon, I will back these up to a cloud server using pCloud. If I've done it, then the link will be up here somewhere. And if I haven't, subscribe and like and notify and all that kind of stuff, and it'll show up soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.